crossover to the All Progressives Congress. Their names are Obeta, Chidi Obeta, member representing Nsukka Igboeze South Federal Constituency. Honorable Barrister Sunday Umeha, member representing Udi Eziabo Federal Constituency. Member representing Enugu North, Enugu South Federal Constituency. They are the first runners. We are also expecting other decampees in the weeks in the coming weeks. I wish to express my profound. We also have the former senatorial candidate for Labour Party, who represented PDP at the National Assembly from 2015 to 2022. Dennis Obedi. He also contested Senate on the platform of the Labour Party. He was the elected but undeclared senator from Enugu West. We also have the coordinator of Peter Obi campaign organization for Enugu State, who is here. Barrister Emeka Man, also known as Ifesinachi Motors, is here. I wish to express our profound gratitude to the leadership of His Excellency Senator Hopus and the Governor General, who has given us leadership, who has helped us to get to this level. Your Excellency, we thank you. Thank you.
And the executive governors who are here with us, my colleagues, members of the National Working Budget and National Planning, and also the Honorable Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, wonderful initiative. First of all, I would like to remind us, the Governor of Imo State and the National Working Committee, we have come up with a blueprint, an agenda, which we call political de-marginalization of Southeast geopolitical zone. Meaning that we have acknowledged the political marginalization, but from our analysis, the de-marginalization is caused by the zone itself, because having 5 states controlled by 4 political parties, there is no bargaining power into national politics. In order to change the coming in of 4 members, House of Representatives from Labour Party, coming to our party, the APC, I think this is an indication that we are achieving the blueprint. So members of Labour Party who are coming into our fold, we congratulate you for assisting us to connect the South geopolitical zone to national politics. We are connecting you to the national. Now you are on rural electrification. And they mention somebody on rural electrification. You are not sure of anything. So we welcome you. And we have to thank the leader of that zone, the Governor of Imo State. Thank you.